finally got our injectors and put them in. Just bought some super cheap injectors. I think it was like 40 bucks for all 4 injectors. I only needed one, so, but got those in. So I'm gonna go get some fuel cans and stuff set up, and then we're gonna get this whole thing jerry-rigged, and we're gonna see how good it runs. So before, down here on the gauge cluster, so before we used to have this fuel injection light would come on, and then we also had some codes coming across here. So let's just hit our key real quick, and cool, fuel injection light is out, and that says check, which is not ideal. Oh, yeah, it helps when you hit the kill switch and actually turn it on. All right, we'll hold the choke, and here we go. Oh, I let off the choke. Listen to that. Alright, we get to go shop for Can-Am now. This project has been so long in the making. I have wanted to do this since like our second ride in that thing. I love it. I think it is fantastic. I think Can-Am did a tremendous job. It is absolutely incredible at what it does, but it would be better if it sounded like that. Like, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it be better if it sounded like that?